ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಸಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ಮಾತ್ರ 40 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇನ್ ದಿಸ್ 4 alternatives are given for each of the following questions. Choose the most appropriate one. Let's see the first question. Blue water policy was implemented by Robert Clive, Francisco de Almeida, Lord Cornwallis, Alfonso de Albuquerque. The right answer, option B, Francisco de Almeida. After Vasco da Gama, Francisco de Almeida arrived in India. He implemented blue water policy in order to establish supremacy over the sea instead of supremacy over land. Let's see next question. The Bankers Bank is State Bank of Mysore, Cooperative Bank, Canara Bank, the Reserve Bank of India. Right answer, option D, the Reserve Bank of India. All the banking transactions in India are controlled by the Reserve Bank of India. So it is known as Mother of Banks or Bankers Banks or Central Bank of India. Next question. The most backward regions of Karnataka have been accorded special status by adding article. Option 472J, 372J, 361J, 371J. Right answer, option D, 371J. Next question. Who merged the state of Punjab with the British Empire? Lord Dalhousie, Ranjit Singh, Lord Wellesley, Warren Hastings. Right answer, option A, Lord Dalhousie merged the state of Punjab with the British Empire. Next question is, who implemented the efficient police system for the first time in India? Options are Lord Dalhousie, Lord Cornwallis, Lord Wellesley, Warren Hastings. Right answer, option B, Lord Cornwallis implemented the efficient police system for the first time in India. Let's see next question. Pondicherry became a union territory of India in the year. Options are 1963, 1987, 1955, 1947. Right answer, option A, 1963. Next question. The foreign policy of India is also called as foreign policy of Lal Bahadur Shastri, foreign policy of Gandhiji, foreign policy of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, foreign policy of Nehru. The right answer is option D, foreign policy of Nehru. Next question. Development of its villages is the true development of India was said by Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhiji, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Dadabhai Nauroji. The right answer, option A, Mahatma Gandhiji said this. Development of its villages is the true development of India. Next question is, the headquarters of IMF is at Geneva, Paris, Washington DC, Rome. Right answer, option C, Washington DC. Next question. When did Consumer Protection Act come into force in India? Options are 1685, 1789, 1953, 1986. Right answer, option D, 1986. Let's see next question. In India, most of the tropical cyclones develop in. Options are the Bay of Bengal, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, the Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep. Right answer, option A, the Bay of Bengal. Next one. The modern iron and steel industry in India was started in the year 1874 at. Options are Salem in Tamil Nadu, Kulti in West Bengal, Gopalpur in Odisha, Sakchi in Jharkhand. Right answer, option B, Kulti in West Bengal. Next question. Which port is called the Gateway of India? Options are Calcutta, Paradip, Mumbai, New Mangalore. Right answer, option C, Mumbai is called the Gateway of India. Let's see next question. The International Working Men's Association is the first labor union established in London, USA, India, France. Right answer option A, London in the year 1864. Next one, Human Rights Day is celebrated on November 12th, December 10th, January 20th, March 15th. Right answer option B, every year December 10. Next one, who organized Mahatma and Kalaram Temple movements? Options are Mahatma Gandhi ji, Jyotiba Phule, Nehru, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Right answer option D, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar organized Mahatma and Kalaram Temple movements. Let's move to next question. First round table conference was held in, options are 1940, 1930, 1931, 1942. Right answer option B, 1930. Next one, traditionally the first 20 years of the Indian National Congress is called the age of liberal nationalism, the age of revolutionaries, the age of radicals, the age of moderates. Right answer option D, the age of moderates. Next question, the average period of schooling completed by individuals above, options are 30 years, 21 years, 18 years, 25 years. Right answer option D, 25 years. Next one, agriculture involving the cultivation of crops and livestock rearing is called, options are irrigation farming, subsistence farming, mixed farming, shifting farming. Right answer option C, mixed farming. Next question is, the longest dam in India is Bhakra Dam, Hirakud Dam, Tungabhadra Dam, Almaty Dam. Right answer option B, Hirakud Dam is the longest dam in India. Next one, which state has the largest forest area in India? Options are Goa, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh. Right answer option D, Madhya Pradesh. Let's see next question. The black soil is the best suited for, options are cotton cultivation, ragi cultivation, potato cultivation, paddy cultivation. Right answer option A, cotton cultivation. Next one, the heaviest rainfall occurs at, options are Rohili, Ganganagar, Mausin Ram, Dras. The right answer option C, Mausin Ram. Next one, who started Satya Shodhak Samaj? Options are Mahatma Jyotiba Phule, Rajaram Mohan Rai, Dr. Atmaram Panduranga, Dayananda Saraswati. Right answer option A, Mahatma Jyotiba Phule started Satya Shodhak Samaj. Next one, Andaman Nicobar Islands and east coast of India have been affected by tropical cyclones, tsunamis, earthquake, floods. Right answer option B, tsunamis. Let's see next question. Which is the highest peak in the Karakoram range? Options are Mount Everest, Manaslu, K2 or Mount Godwin Austen, Kanchenjunga. Right answer option C, K2 or Mount Godwin Austen. Let's see next one. Who revolted against the British in Kanpur? Options are Rani Lakshmi Bai, Nana Saheb, Tatya Tope. Next, Mangal Pandey. Right answer option B, Nana Saheb. Next question, the State Public Works Department undertaken the construction and maintenance of, options are national highways, village roads, district roads, state highways. Right answer option D, state highways. Let's see next question. The British government's last Governor General was, options are Lord Dalhousie, Lord Mountbatten, Lord Wellesley, Warren Hastings. Right answer option B, Lord Mountbatten. Next question is, who founded Forward Bloc? Options are Mahatma Gandhi ji, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Right answer option B, Subhash Chandra Bose. Let's see next question. Internal peace and cooperation is explained in the dash article of our constitution. Options are 51, 45, 21, 21A. Right answer 51 article. Next question. The second Anglo-Mysore War ended with, options are Madras Treaty, Treaty of Mangalore, Salbai Agreement, Treaty of Srirangpatna. Right answer option B, Treaty of Mangalore. Next one, which are the important west flowing rivers of South India? Options are Mahanadi and Krishna rivers, Godavari and Kaveri rivers, Indus and Ganga rivers, Narmada and Tapi rivers. Right answer option D, Narmada and Tapi rivers are the important west flowing rivers of South India. Next question is, the largest wheat producing state in India is? Options are Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan. Right answer option A, Uttar Pradesh. Let's see next question. The Muslim League called for Direct Action Day on January 17, 1944, September 15, 1978, August 16, 1946, June 14, 1947. Right answer option C, August 16, 1946. Next question is, which century is considered as the Reformation and a new awakening time in the history of India? Options are 16th century, 19th century, 13th century, 20th century. Right answer option B, 19th century. Let's see next question. Which organization of UNO is considered as global parliament? Options are General Assembly, Secretariat, Security Council, Trusteeship Council. Right answer option A, General Assembly. Let's see next question. Which is known as Cottonopolis and Manchester of India? Options are Calcutta, Madras, Mumbai, Kochi. Right answer option C, Mumbai. Next one. After the 73rd Amendment to the Constitution, dash levels of Panchayat institutions have come into existence? Options are 4 levels, 3 levels, 2 levels, 6 levels. Right answer 3 levels of Panchayat institutions have come into existence after the 73rd Amendment. Okay students, practice this all the multiple choice questions and we will continue our class with the second model question paper. Till then, take care.